Hey there, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can create notes in Infusionsoft by Keap automatically whenever a ticket is updated in Freshdesk. So guys, if you're juggling with multiple customer service requests in Freshdesk and you have an equally busy marketing campaign going on in Infusionsoft by Keap application, then this video is going to help you a lot. Here I'm going to show you how you can integrate Freshdesk with Keap in such a way that whenever a ticket is updated in Freshdesk, a note is added inside Keap application automatically so that you do not have to manually see what's going on with the customer interactions and the tickets, and you do not have to juggle between these two applications manually. So we are going to set up this whole workflow without any coding, just by a few clicks. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up our workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And to reach this page, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now from the given link and then you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. Okay. From here, guys, you need to click on this create workflow button to set up your workflow. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name here. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation. So here is the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, when a ticket is updated in Freshdesk, that is going to trigger our workflow, and the action, the automated response, would be to create a note in Infusionsoft application. Okay, so when you click on this trigger window, it will ask to choose your trigger application. So search for Freshdesk here. Here is Freshdesk. Then select the trigger event as update ticket. Alright, and it will give you this webhook URL. So guys, webhook URL is used to get the data from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect's workflows response. Okay, so here guys, you can see we need to follow these instructions written to create a connection with Freshdesk, and after that we are going to capture the response of this connection. So let's follow these steps written. So guys, this is my Freshdesk applications dashboard. Okay, and here on the left hand side panel you will find this admin section. Click on admin. Under admin section, guys, when you scroll down here, you will find this workflows option. Click on workflows. Here guys, from this page you need to open, let's see the instructions, automation section. Okay, here you can see we have automations inside this workflows option. Click on it. Under automations, guys, you will find these three tabs: ticket creation, time triggers, and ticket updates. So open ticket updates section. Here we need to create a new rule. So click on this new rule button, and here you can provide a name to this rule. So I'm providing the name as testing. Okay. Here guys, when an action performed by, here you have to configure this rule to send the data to your workflow whenever a ticket is updated. So select here agent or requester option. This means when a customer agent updates the ticket, or when a customer itself or a requester itself updates a ticket, the workflow should trigger and the response will be received. Okay, and here it is asking involve any of these events. So here when you click, it will show you these options. So from here I am going to select status is changed. So you can actually see what are the type of updates you can have in a ticket, and then you can select that kind of update. I am selecting status is changed option, and here it is asking from which status to what status. You can specify a particular type of status change as well. Here I am going to select the initial status as open. Okay, and final status can be any status. So if it is changing from open to close or open to resolved, for any change from open, the workflow should trigger. Okay, then here we have match any of these conditions below. So you can select the conditions here if any conditions you want to apply. So I'm selecting match all of the below option, and here you can see we are working in tickets. So here I'm going to choose the condition as So guys, here I have selected updated option. So it has started showing the timings. So the condition would be if ticket is updated during business hours, then the workflow should trigger and capture the data. Okay. And after this, what is the action that we want to perform? We want that the data should be sent of the tickets from Freshdesk to our workflow. So here guys, you have to select trigger webhook option because we want to send the data to a webhook URL that we got here. So here guys, select the request type in trigger webhook as post. We want to post the data to this URL. Switch URL, just copy this URL, webhook URL, and paste it here under this URL field like this. Okay, right. Select the encoding format as JSON. Content type is simple. And here you can select what are the things that you want to send to the triggers response. So I want to get the description of the ticket, the subject of the ticket, and the email address, the status of the ticket, and the email address of the agent or the customer if you have. All right, so I have selected the contact's email. Okay, so these are the 4 things that I want to receive whenever a ticket is updated. So we have configured the rule here. Now you can click on preview and save. So here you can see the preview. Now you can click on save and enable, and a new rule is enabled here, right? And here you can see as we have copied the URL, it started listening to for the response. So now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually update any ticket from open status to any other status, and the response will be captured here. Let's see. So guys, this is my Freshdesk account, and here are the ticket section. And here you can see we have received a new ticket here. Okay, and let me open the ticket. And the status of the ticket you can see is right now open. So let me change the status of the ticket, okay, just to get the response to set up the workflow we are doing this. Okay, so I'm changing the status from open to let's say pending. Okay, and here I'm clicking on update button, and you can see the properties of the ticket is updated. And let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of this ticket. So guys, this is my Freshdesk dashboard, and here are the tickets, and this is a new ticket we got. Let me open it. Okay, so this is a new ticket showing printer broke down. Okay, and here you can see the status of the ticket is right now open. So let me change the status of the ticket from open to, let's say, resolved. Okay, from open to resolved, I'm changing it, and here I'm updating the ticket by clicking on update. So we are just doing this to get the response to set up the test automation. Okay, so the properties are updated. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured. And here you can see guys, we have received the data captured like this. It's showing the subject of the ticket, the status is resolved, and this is the email address of the contact associated with the ticket. Now guys, I want to create a note inside Infusionsoft application, inside the contact which is associated with the ticket and the Freshdesk, and we have already have the contacts associated with the Freshdesk tickets inside Infusionsoft, and inside one of these contacts I want to create a note. So for to do that, first of all we are going to connect with Infusionsoft or Keap here inside action step. So here I am going to use the action event as retrieve a contact via email. So before creating a node inside contact, we need to retrieve the contact details, basically the contact's ID, so that we can use it in the next step. Okay, so guys, just click on connect button here. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap, and it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in, so it is just asking me to provide the access to Pabbly Connect. So just click on allow here, and you will be connected with Infusionsoft. You can see the authorization is successful, right? And here it is asking for the email address of the contact to whom you want to retrieve. So guys, I have received the contact email here in the trigger step in this label, so I'm going to map this same label here Just click here and the previous trigger will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, just find the email label and click on it to map it. Okay, now click on save and send test request button and you will get the related details of the contact like this. And here you can see we got the response. We can see the full details of the person. First name, family name is Garcia, okay, and the first name is Emily. And here you can see the ID of the contact is also here that we can use. Now click on this plus icon to add one more action window, and here we are going to connect with Infusionsoft again in order to create a note inside the contacts. So here we have create note option, then click on connect. Now we are already connected with Infusionsoft, so to connect again we are going to use the existing connection by selecting the existing connection option, and then click on save one more time and you will be connected again, okay, like this. And here it is asking in which contact you want to create a note. So I'm going to map the contact ID by toggling this map button to on and erase this help text. Now I'm going to map the contact ID I have received here inside the second step. Here you can see we have received the contact ID and I'm going to map it here. Just click here and from the second step find the contact ID to map it. Okay, now it will ask for giving the title of the note, so I'm giving the title as ticket update from Freshdesk. Okay, this is the title. Description would be a new ticket. So guys, I have written the description. You can see new ticket is updated in Freshdesk. Current status is I have mapped the status from the trigger. From the trigger, I have just mapped the status, current status and the ticket subject here as well. And you need to remember that you need to enter the note description in one line only. That means do not change the line or break the line. Okay, do not press enter here, otherwise it will create a problem. And this is the contact I have in Infusionsoft, and currently there are no notes. You can see. Let's check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request button here, and let's see if we got a new note added in my contact. And here you can see this is the response I have received. And let's check in our Infusionsoft contact if we have a new note here. So let me just refresh the contact. And here you can see guys, a new note is added here inside this contact just now. Okay, and here you can see the note is new ticket updated in Freshdesk. This is the current status, result, and the subject line. This is the same thing I have entered here. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that it will work automatically whenever there is a new ticket update according to your rule in Freshdesk. You will find a note inside the contacts in Infusionsoft automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.